see you later. Take care, and we'll look out for you next week. We'll see who else is on. There were 1 or 2 called in, and we'll look out for you next week. Right, I think it was Paul at Thornton that called me. I just got your call signed with all the rest, Paul, so I hope I've got it right. M6EHQ I got. This is G4IOD with G4KFP.
M6EHQ, good morning to you both there, and thank you for reading the news. I'm actually using the 2m 77's homemade Yagi beam. I'm actually videotaping this just for prosperity purposes. I do hope you get me a bit of a stronger signal there, because I'm actually stood inside my kitchen there, aren't I?
Right, well what we've got is, you're lighting up the lights. There's a bit of noise on there for some reason. When I say noise, it's just the normal kind of background noise, but you're lighting up. I've got 3 amperes and I think that's what it's doing. It's amplifying a bit of noise as well, but it's a much stronger signal than when you called in last time. As I say, I could hear you amongst the rest, but I just couldn't quite pick it all out. And I heard you the second time when you called in with the but I always seem to be able to get the HQ but miss the E, so we got you this time. So yeah, it's improved, definitely improved as your homemade Yagi. It's improved the system that you were running last time, there's no doubt about it. So well worth the time spending building it by the sound of it, Paul. So back to you, M6EHQ G4IOD.
M6EHQ G4IOD. Yes, it's a 4-element Yagi on the 2m side and a 7-element Yagi on the 70cm side. Like I say, I got all the measurements from the one of the YouTube channels and made it out of tape measure, and it's on 2 pieces of wood there. Like I say, I'm actually stood in my kitchen extension pointing over towards Wakefield and Clayton area of Bradford there. Anyway, I'll give you 7 threes, and thanks for the news this morning, and 7 3 to you both there. So M6EHQ going QRT. Thank you, goodbye.
Yes, okay, Paul, fine business. Well, it's definitely improved the signal. You're going into the red LEDs with it, so there's definitely a big improvement with the directivity you've got with that antenna. Sounds interesting anyway, and it sounds as if it's doing the job. At least it's doing it on 2 meters from what I can see. You'll probably be able to get HD, I would imagine, before that. There we go. Thanks for that, Paul. We'll see you later. Take care, and we'll look out for you next week. Now, I think